Welcome everyone for the second video of this tutorial series. So in this tutorial we are going to be setting up our exam Codeigniter and Visual Studio Code to start writing code. So to start we are going to go to exam and click on start and start. So we're going to start Apache service and MySQL service. So MySQL is going to be our database and Apache is our server. So once doing that, I'm going to click on this admin icon right here, which is going to bring us to the localhost dashboard page. So this is the default page. You can actually go to your database right by clicking on this PHP my admin icon right up here, and you have your default databases up here. This is you. So this is the database that we're going to be using, and now we are going to set up our Codeigniter project. So to do that, what we are going to do is we extracted our Codeigniter folder. So if you haven't done this, you can just go ahead and extract this to current location where you will get the root folder. Inside the root folder you have the application system and user account. So you need to come to this location where the files usually these file systems and go one step back. Okay, so this folder right here, which contains all this is the root folder, and you need to rename this to whatever that you like. I will recommend a simple name, a single word for now till we figure out all the URL stuff and things like that. So what I have is forum, and inside that I have things that I need. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy out this forum folder. I'm going to go to my C drive. Here I have my example which I did when I installed. So this is my installation where I do have the control panel, and I forgot to mention earlier. So how to get to this control panel is you go to install location and you hit double click on this control exit. So this is what I have to now. So yeah, so go here, go to CC, go to exam, and in there we have htdocs folder. So double click on the htdocs, and this basically is what we get when you visit. So this index.php is your default one and everything. So what we're going to do is we are going to paste the copied folder right into here. Each time there are some small files, actual 527 files to be copied. Might take some time, so need some time. Once it is done, we have a forum right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, edit this PHP thing to forum try. So and it is. So how this works is imagine this is the default location that you get. So this index.php file, this is what they load when you go to this URL. So it's just localhost. It is gonna load up this page, and when you click on my PHP my admin, then it is going into one of actually on dashboard initially. That is what we get, and so forth. So right here we've faced our forum page, and inside that we have this content. So to go to the forum page, we just have to do forum here, and we are inside. Navigating within Codeigniter is a little bit tricky, and we'll get to that part in a bit. So to get on with Visual Studio Code, you can either go here and open folder and navigate to your C drive and go inside in like that, or else you can actually go to your forum, which is inside htdocs, right click and open with code. Right here it is, open with code, and it is going to open in the root folder, and everything is going to be set it up correct way. So you can see right here we have actually I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so when we go to, I'm going to be explaining the folder structure in a separate video. I just want to set up Visual Studio Code to work with this. So to do that, I'm going to go into application, then into weeks or models. I'm sorry, not in the same working controllers. So go to controllers and welcome.php. As soon as you go into this, you can see count products since PHP. That is not valid. You can just delete that. So this is basically what you need. Okay, so syntax is working. You can see these identified as methods. Everything seems to work. So yeah, not into order. Everything is working, and I will meet you guys with another video.